Hey guys, Lucas here. Glad you tuned back to my channel. I just wanted to show an update of the Marui Big Bear that I did in the military theme. I was doing a twin of the Golden Eagle Jeep by Marui as well, and that was on another video, the one right before this one, I believe. I'll go into more detail about how I did them and how I was able to make them work. This is the modified rim one, where the rims are smaller. I had to cut the rims in half, practically, in order to make it work. It looked really good. You can see a little bit of a ring in there where the two halves met, but not too bad. Looks okay. All right, so we're going to do a little small run. Nothing too much. I think my battery's about to die. But now you guys want to see her running. I love running these things. Okay. Now sometimes there seems to be a little bit of a grind coming from the front end, and that's because the tire actually still hits the body a little bit. So I got to do a little more trimming on the body underneath it, but I don't want to do too much trimming. So, but I think once I do a little bit more, it gets really close when you steer it. So just a little bit more, I think I'll be good to go. This gets along nice though. I learn, I'll drive better. I'm the best driver in the world. Sorry about that. Still learning. It's hard to drive and film at the same time. I'll drive up this little cliff here. These trucks are pretty robust though. Once you get them going. They all have like little quirks. Yeah, so it's sort of still, it's a little bit of fender, so I gotta cut the fenders off a little bit, some, but I won't do too much. So I'll have to modify a little bit more of the tire. You can sort of see it. So it only happens like the fender will only hit the wheel with there's a big bump or something like that, or tight steer. So I gotta figure that out. So probably gonna wind up doing a little trimming right here and maybe just modify the wheels just a little bit, but nothing too much. See, there it goes, starts catching. See, but sacrifice we make, I guess. All right, that was pretty much the video. I just had to get show it to you guys. I just got it finished and everything, so there's still some tweaks I got to do, but other than that, I love the way it runs. It runs pretty good. So yeah, so if you like this video, pop a like on there, and if you can, please subscribe. I've got a lot more cool stuff coming. Alrighty, you guys, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.